full body.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. If you are new here, if you are already a subscriber of mine, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. It's not gonna be about makeup. Got some hair, got a wig right here. So I was contacted by Hotbeautyhair, Hot Girl and Enjoy Beauty. Yes, so I love this box. It's such the prettiest blue. So I have looked at the wig already. It's a nice little bang situation. It's a little bit different from what I normally do, so I'm a little nervous. So let's see how this is gonna work. So it's all fancy, nice little silk bag, so I can keep my wig in for storage. They also sent to me a nice little pouch situation. Has some bobby pins, an elastic band if I need to attach it to make it tighter. Some nice little hair clips, clip the hair out the way when doing the makeup, but I've already done my makeup. So tweezers, yes, if I need to pluck the hairline, and of course an edge brush. I have so many of these, but honestly, you can honestly never have too much. You can honestly never have too many edge brushes because you lose them or they start getting all icky and gunky with everything that is on it. So, my nails are failing me. I can't pick up this. There we go. So it does come with a nice little how-to hair care kit. That is that. So let's just go ahead and show the wig. Oh wait, it also came with hair caps. Hold on. All right, so like I said, I was playing around with the wig a little bit and testing it out. So it did come with a wig caps, and I took one off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm my little egghead. Alright, so on to the actual wig. So it is human hair. Let me show you the hair. It's like this. Where'd the bang at? Okay, so here's the bangs right here. So it's more of a shorter hair. I'm sure if it was to be straightened, it will be slightly longer, but I have a lot of long wigs, so this is a nice switch up. And inside of the cap is what it looks like. You got your is it 3? Yeah. So you got your 2 combs here, and you got your comb down here, and it actually already has an elastic band in it, so that's good. So then that one is an extra one just in case this one breaks. So then you can also tighten it if need be with a little hook. So I hope you cannot hear my kid in the background. She's in her room. If you can, please forgive me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on this wig. Let's see how it looks, y'all. Okay, so now it looks crazy. Definitely gonna have to trim the bangs because they're not a little bit, they're a lot of bit too long for me. So, is it crooked? Okay, there we go. So let me see what I want to do. Just to play around with it, I'm going to wet it. Yeah, I'm gonna wet it so we can play around with it and get it to work for my face. Okay, so this wig has potential if I could see. So actually I'm going to use these little clips that they provided so I can clip the hair out the way. so I can cut the bangs a little bit because they are taking over my face. I just want to, I'm gonna cut them going up. Let's keep going. All right, so we're getting somewhere. I know I don't look like it on camera, but we're getting somewhere. I think I'm gonna cut just a little bit more. Okay, so I feel like it's a little bit better. I also feel like this side is a little longer. I actually kind of like that the edges are a little bit longer. So I actually really like this style. I like that I've got it basically out of my face for the most part, but I actually really like this style. It's really great for the summer because you can just throw it on, spray some water in it. Oh, hair. Yeah. But yes, I actually do like this. I could definitely see this paired with some hoops. I think I'll probably even color it because it's probably the black that's throwing me. I do have a lot of black wigs, but I do prefer, y'all know, my little blondes, my little browns. So we are going to maybe do a little video on that. So I'm just gonna play with it. Yeah, overall the hair is really nice. When I sprayed it with the water, y'all saw the curls were popping. It is still now a little damp, but it's not soaking wet, so it does dry fast. What else can I say about it? The cap does fit my head. I don't need to tighten it with that little clip. This, with the elastic band, this is tight enough with my little small head self. It does have a slight, weavy smell, but when I wash this, after I like color it and everything, it'll most likely get that smell out. But so far, it's so good. It feels really, really good, really, really soft. Yeah, this is the first time that I've tried this company. Let me know if you guys have heard of them, Hotbeautyhair. I really like it. I would have never picked anything like this for myself, so I like it when companies want to send me something that's a little different. But I think I will go ahead and color this thing and wear it. and just wear it. Don't let it wear you, you wear it, okay? With some hoop earrings. I don't know where any of my hoop earrings are. I need to buy some more, but I like this hair. I will keep you guys updated with how it holds up. I'll probably even do a video of me coloring the hair so we can see how the curls hold up as well. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. It's a little bit short, a little sweet, a little simple. Just a nice little open box of the hair, giving my first impressions of it. Well, not first impressions because I opened it first. So second impressions on how I like it without doing anything to it. So I'll keep you guys posted and we'll see how it goes next time. So I will see you guys in the next video. If you would like to see how I did this base, you can go ahead and check the video before this. I did a little highlight I did a highlight and contour step-by-step in-depth tutorial on how to get it done. So go ahead and check that out and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.